The PS5 Wall Mount Kit is designed to accommodate various PlayStation 5 models, including original, slim, and Pro versions, ensuring versatility for all users. It features an impressive cooling system with dual fans that can be adjusted to 3 different speeds, effectively preventing overheating and prolonging the console's lifespan. In addition to its cooling capabilities, this mount includes a dual controller charger that can fully recharge 2 controllers in only 2.5 hours, making it extremely efficient. The mount is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, providing a sturdy and stable platform for your console, enhancing safety and preventing deformation. Installation is a breeze with this product, as its streamlined design eliminates the need for complex procedures, allowing for quick and easy wall mounting. Additional features such as a headset holder and an extra USB port for charging make this wall mount an all-in-one solution for organizing your gaming setup.